Under mesons, pions, you know, pi plus, pi minus, pi 0 are the quanta of strong internucleon field. And in most of the strong interaction also, the exchange particle is nothing but it is pions. And all mesons have spin parity 0 minus. So this minus indicates the parity is odd parity for all mesons. Mesons are actually bosons. You know bosons that obey Bose-Einstein statistics. Under the different classification of meson, one of the meson is d mesons. So these d mesons are heavier than nucleons. So the other mesons like pions, kaons, eta meson are found to be lighter than nucleon, but this is the only meson that are heavier than the nucleons. Leptons are weakly interacting particle with baryon number B is equal to 0. And charged leptons, for example, electron, positron, and this mu plus, mu minus, tau plus, tau minus are all charged leptons which undergo electromagnetic interaction. And leptons have no internal structure and they are point particles, which are the experimental evidences. The experimental result shows that these leptons do not have any internal structure, as well as they are considered as point particles alone. Hadrons, but hadrons have internal structure. Some of the leptons exist in the particle as well as antiparticle form. For example, electron, the antiparticle is positron, and muon also you can see mu plus is there, means the antiparticle is mu minus. These two are they are found to be antiparticle to one another. And the third one, which is discovered in 1974, is nothing but that is the tau lepton. So for tau lepton also you are seeing tau plus is there, which is the particle, and the antiparticle of this is tau minus. So the last one, tau plus tau minus, together called as tau leptons. So this tau lepton is the third pair, which is discovered in 1974. I already told about tau leptons. Tau leptons are discovered during the year 1974 to 75. The speciality of the tau lepton is they are antiparticle to one another. Tau leptons are found to be heavier than the nucleons. And each lepton is actually associated with a neutrino. So we can write the neutrino as electron neutrino, muon neutrino, as well as tau neutrino. So there are three types of neutrino which is associated with the leptons. And coming to the lepton number, so just like baryon number, lepton number is also there. So there are three types of lepton numbers: Le, L mu and L tau. Electron lepton number, muon lepton number, and tau lepton number. For leptons, these values are found to be equal to 1. For anti-leptons, the numbers Le, L mu, L tau value is found to be -1. For rest of the particles, we can take the lepton number is equal to 0. You know already that leptons are lighter particles, where baryons are heavier particles.